Is it recording?
Yeah.
Are we recording? Are we live?
Yeah.
Holy Tiger. Iron Maiden. Guest starring somebody. How do you open this?
That thing's hard to open.
Everybody, this is my turn to open the package because Donna's doing the recording, so if it's shaky or something like that, we know why, because Donna can't record.
Shut up.
She told me to shut up. People in YouTube land.
Why the box has a dent in it?
The people in YouTube land, my wife just told me to shut the F up. She's not very nice and she's laughing about it. Now she's laughing really hard about it. She thinks she's so damn adorable because she can tell me to shut the F up. So, I don't know how to get this out. Let's see. My wife's better about getting these out than I am. But she doesn't want to do it for some reason. She wants to make the video.
I gotta make the video of it.
No, we all know it's kind of hard for you to pull anything out.
It's the special guest, somebody, if he talks one more time and say who he is.
It's a nice one too.
Holy Tiger, gonna smack you around with my BM.
Hope this works.
Holy Tiger. I can't open this stupid thing. How do you open this stupid thing? Very light, unlike the last one we got. That didn't work out. Okay, that's long enough. Holy Tiger! Shooting my poopy everywhere. Poopy neepy. Poop poop.
This is something stuck on the floor.
Poop and ooper. Poop, 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 poop. Holy poops. Gonna make it come everywhere. Oh shoot! That was not good. Come over here and smell my holy poop. Holy Tiger.
There's two things right here.
Hold on, Donna, put that down.
Doug's having a hard time doing this. My babe. My husband. I have this thing in my arm. Look at my arm. Hope this works more better than the other one we got. There it goes. Long.
Where's this one go?
Like that. In case it goes like. Hope this works. You got this way.
It'd be nice to have the instruction manual read.
Ah, there goes.
There. I think this is the tray that goes inside the thing. So this is the tray that goes inside.
Oh, you're gonna do big? Oh. Baked to toast bagels. Stuff like that. And that's a Spanish word. Okay.
This probably needs to be washed. Something like that, and you can put stuff on it. So let's wash that out. Oh wait, there's still more stuff on here.
Either for toast or bagel, or to bake or boil. And that's Spanish word. You want English one. Like you want to toast. You want to do toast or bagel. Turn enough one.
Why don't you show that off, Donna?
Show off. This.
Don't get that person in the video, Donna.
I'm not. I should just one at a time. There goes Ducky Poo.
Hey, scissors.
And this is the name of it. Oh, we don't want to do this one too, babe. And I'll show them this too. You want me to show this one too? The directions? Babe, this one?
You can show the instructions.
That's the name of it. I did it all the way up. You don't want in Spanish, you want English. Okay, that's Spanish, that's English. Yeah, Spanish and English.
Who ripped up the box over here?
It was like that. It was over here. I don't know how.
You got the instructions on there?
Yeah. And what did you want to say, babe? Come on. I'm going to turn around towards me, okay? I'm going to towards me. I'm gonna torch you, okay? Hey, stop. Hey, stop. 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 Okay, I'm gonna turn to myself, okay? Babe, stop. Babe, just stop. Okay. Stop. Okay. Okay, can I... Okay. Stop. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay, stop. I'm gonna turn to myself. Okay, can I turn myself? Hey, come on. Stop. I'm gonna turn myself. I'm gonna turn around. Okay, I'm gonna turn around myself. Hey, stop. Okay. Here goes me. Hi, this is Donna Pope and Doug Dennis. We're opening a video. We opened the box, and Doug, my husband, has been silly. And you like it, subscribe, and comment, and have a nice day. Bye. There's my baby.
Oh, it's wax all